Did you know there are three types of people live inside almost every Pakistani? 1. Doctor. No matter how much serious disease you have, everyone have tested and cheap disease took a treatment for you. Just ask any health issue. Their medical person will active along with a long story of person who accepted his professional medical advice, and now he's living healthy life. Now it's your turn to listen carefully and note the ingredients required to initiate your treatment. No two religious scholar or Malvi. They always have ready-made fatwa for every situation without even knowing how to read Quran. It's free for everyone even if you didn't ask with a label of haram or halal. Don't ask them when did they offer the last namaz. Number 3. Political anchor person. Their political party is best in a world, and opposite parties has proven link from Israel. No matter whatever the discussion topic is, it'll always end on political statement. For example, if the topic is why Pakistan lost the hockey match, it will end on inside knowledge of how Yehudi brings specific party in a power to destroy the hockey infrastructure in a country. They know what measure did PM has to take to overcome any crisis in a country. The only thing they don't know is how to mind their own business. All precious advices are free. Just ask anything. You will witness any of these three.